Wouldn't be great if you could practice Cisco ACI directly on your computer without spending money on buying switches, controllers, or even license? Well, actually you can do it by using Cisco ACI Simulator. Cisco ACI Simulator is a virtual machine that allows you to run the Cisco ACI solution. And I mean that it includes the controller and also a couple of switches. In this video, I'll show you how to get it, set it up, and start using it like a pro. If you want some additional information such as which features are supported on Cisco ACI Simulator, I'm going to share the link to this document in the video description. But essentially, by the end of this deployment, you're supposed to have this topology. This is considered to be a small topology where you have one controller, one spine switch, and two leaves. And this is going to consume less resources on my computer. Now, if your computer supports more resources, then you can deploy the larger topology. Okay, we're going to deploy the simulator on VMware Workstation. So we have to download the image from Cisco. So here on Cisco website, let's go to downloads, and we're going to search for simulator. And it's going to show application Centric infrastructure simulator. And we're going to download the file 613F. Now, to download this file, your account must have the privilege to do so. So you might want to check that with your company or your Cisco partner or reseller. After downloading the image, you can start the import process. So give it a name and choose the path or the folder where you're going to store the file. If the import process fails, just like you see on the screen, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Okay, go to the folder where you downloaded the Cisco ACI Simulator and open as well PowerShell. So we want to extract the files on this OVA file. So that should be Cisco ACI, and going to run the command. So let me increase this a little bit so that you can see. So it's going to be tar xvf and the file name. Okay, and it's going to extract these files. Now we're going to delete this file that ends with .mf. Just going to delete that one, and the OVF file I'm just going to copy and paste, and I'm going to delete this old file. And the new file, I'm just going to change the name to new file. Okay, and now I'm just going to open this new OVF file. The image was imported successfully, so now I'm going to make a couple of changes. So first is going to be the network interface. So in my case, I'm going to use a different interface instead of using the default one, and that's it. As you can see, it's going to take 32 gigs of RAM and 8 processors. So I'm going to confirm this, and then I'm going to power on this VM. Okay, so let's begin setting up the ACI simulator. So start large topology. No, we're going to choose just N. We're going to use the small topology deployment. Next, we're going to keep most of the things as default. So ACI fabric name, just going to confirm. Is it APIC? No, just leave it as it is. Just leave the default. IPv6, no. Now the management IP address, so I'm going to set the IP address that I'm using to manage the devices on my network. So that's going to be 24/24, and my gateway is going to be 43.1. No, I don't want to enable strong passwords. Going to be weak password. Would you like to edit? No, I don't want. Okay, so now it's going to start the configuration. Once the setup is completed, so then we're going to use the web browser to start managing the Cisco ACI simulator. So I'm going to use the credentials I defined during the setup. So it's going to be admin. I'm going to type the password. Okay, this is the initial dashboard once you log into Cisco ACI Simulator. So let's go. And here you can see some highlights about this image. But anyway, let's close these. And let's take a look at system. Okay, nothing there. So what about controllers? So we should see one controller. So let's take a look at topology. Yeah, we have one controller there. So that's APIC 1. Okay, but it looks like there is nothing else. But according to the documentation, we should have at least one controller, one spine switch, and two leaves. So let's discover those devices. So to do that, let's go to Fabric. And then let's go to Fabric membership. And here on this tab, node spanning registration, we should see one leaf switch. Okay, so let's register this switch, and I'm going to copy this serial number. So this has to be the name, the node name for this switch, and the node ID is gonna be 101. Okay, so this is a leaf switch, and we're going to start the registration process. Now the status is going to be unknown, but then it's going to change to discover state, and it's going to move this device to this other tab, registered node. So this is going to take like a couple of minutes or so, so just wait for a while. Okay, now the node was moved to these tabs, and you can see the status still showing discovering. And if we take a look at topology, we should see that now we have let's go to topology. Should see we have APIC and one switch, so probably still discovering this switch. So let's go back to Fabric membership. Okay, now it shows the status as active, so let's go back to topology again, and we should see that now the APIC is connected to the switch. Okay, so what's next? So if we go back to Fabric membership, node spanning registration, it's going to discover another switch, and that's going to be the spine switch. So let's register this switch as well. So node name is going to be the same as serial number, meaning TEP1103, and the node ID is going to be 103, and it's going to register this switch. Okay, and the second switch, the spine switch, is active now. So if we go to topology once again and see, we should see that now, yeah, we have the spine switch, that's 103, which means that we have one last switch to be discovered. So if we go back to node spanning registration, yeah, that's the last switch, 102. So the same thing, node name is going to be 102, and node ID 102, and we're going to register this switch. Okay, finally we have 3 switches discovered and active in our Fabric. So we can take a look at the topology. So we should see a summary here: one controller, one pod, one spine, and 2 leaves. And we can also take a look at the diagram, right? You can see like one spine, 2 leaves, and 2 controller. So this is it, guys, how you deploy the Cisco ACI Simulator to start playing or practice in your own computer. So if you took value from this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.